guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Brenda and welcome. It's been quite some time, guys, and I miss you. It's been a crazy month to say the least, and I know it's been a while since I uploaded, but here I am again. Don't worry, guys, I am trying my best to continue with my YouTube and not, go so long without not filming. But February has been such a crazy month, and it's so crazy to think that we're in March already. But yeah, February has been such a crazy month. The last time you guys seen a video on my channel was when we went to Miami, when I went to Miami and I showed you guys my Miami vlog, and that was over a month ago. Actually, yeah, that was over a month ago. So yeah, it's been quite some time, but here I am again filming for you guys, and I'm going to try my best to make time to film a little bit more. I've just been so busy with work and with my business, and my schedule's a little hectic. I try to balance everything out. I'm also working out a lot too when I get the chance. So yeah, nonetheless, I miss you guys and I'm filming for you guys today, and I've been wanting to film this video for such a long time already. As you guys may already see in the title, this is going to be an unboxing video of a new purse that I got. So this purse, I actually got it when I was in Vegas, and I'm going to show you guys what it is. So if I'm not wrong, I was in Vegas in like the end of January. So I've been having this purse for over a month, and it's been in the box just waiting for me to use it. But since I have not gone anywhere and I have not had the time to film this video, it's just been collecting dust in the box, and I feel so bad, but I'm going to show it some loving. So I'm going to show you guys what the brand is. So as you can see, it is a Gucci bag. So I really love the Gucci new packaging. They have like this vintage green going on. I don't know how I feel about the green color, but the vintage pattern is a little cute or whatever, as you guys can see. But yeah, I do like the packaging. They switched it up from the normal like black and white that they had. So I'm gonna pull out the box, and this is what the box looks like. I always like the packaging of anything designer. I feel like it's such an experience to unpackage something, and it's just, it's like anticipated. Like you get so excited to actually see what's inside, but the packaging itself is very pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and just open up this bag, and like I told you guys, I have not opened this box since I bought it. Obviously, like, I know what the bag looks like because I purchased it in store, but I have not actually opened it up myself because I told myself that I wanted to film this video for you guys. You guys seem to love my my travel my what's in my bag travel purse edition video. So I decided I would do more videos with like purses and stuff, because I know I love watching them and you guys seem to like them as well. So I will continue to do that for you guys. But yeah, I'm going to show this. Ooh! So I'm going to show you this bag. So as you can see, this is the box. We're gonna go ahead and open it. My nails don't really allow me to do this. Okay, here we go. So this is the bag. Oh my god. So it has tissue paper. We're gonna go ahead and open it. I don't like damaging the tissue paper because I just feel like they take their time to make it pretty, and I want to keep it pretty. So we're gonna open this. All right, so now that I undid that little tape there, we're gonna open this. Oh, so there seems to be even more tissue paper. We're just gonna go ahead and take that out. I'm gonna take it out. So it has the dust bag, and the bag itself is in the dust bag. I will say that this box is pretty big for the bag itself. So let's take out this guy out. Ooh, I feel like I'm making a lot of noise. Guys, it's literally midnight, and I was, busy all day, but I was like, I really want to film. So I decided to film at midnight, and yeah, that is my crazy life. So, okay, going back to this unboxing video. So as you can see, this is the purse. The purse is in here. this is not the purse. The purse is inside. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I just love keeping purses in dust bag. I know it's really not good for the leather. You shouldn't really keep them in a dust bag where they can't breathe, but I just like keeping them there just because it prevents it from getting like dust and just dirty and just any scratches or aging. So yeah, so I'm gonna take it out of the dust bag. And oh my god, guys, so it's literally like a hassle to get to the purse itself because you have to do so much. So there is this little styrofoam paper that we're going to take out. So okay guys, so this is my little baby. How cute is she? So a little backstory on this purse. On Christmas Eve actually, I was in Chicago and I went to the Gucci store to buy Lorenzo's Christmas gift. So I was at the Gucci store in Chicago on Michigan Avenue, and I was by myself and I was browsing the store, and as I was waiting for the lady to wrap Lorenzo's Christmas gift, I was walking around the whole Gucci store and I came across this purse. And when I seen this purse, I told myself that this was gonna be mine. I was like, I need that purse. I'm gonna get it one day, someday. And little did I know that it was gonna happen this soon. But fast forward to the end of January, I was in Vegas with Alyssa and with Marla and with a lot of friends actually. We were in Vegas and I just so happened to do a little bit of shopping. Me and my friend Marla were about to go back to LA. We were about to drive back to LA, but we're like, you know what? Let's just stop at the shops and do a little like window shopping. But I seen the purse and I literally could not pass it by because I just knew that I really wanted it, and it was just perfect timing because it was right before Valentine's Day and I felt like it was just like a cute Valentine's gift for myself, so I just couldn't pass it by. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So the name of this purse is called the Gigi Marmont mini top handle bag, and for reference, this was $2,100, literally my rent. My rent is a little bit more expensive, to be honest with you guys, but yeah, this was a little pricey, but so freaking worth it because I love it. I'm telling you guys, it was meant to be. When I seen this purse, I just knew that I had to have it, and I just knew that someday I was gonna get it, and it just so happened that, you know, I ran into it when I was in Vegas and I could not leave without getting it. So yeah, that's the little backstory on this purse. But yeah, this is how it looks. So I do really like that it has the silver hardware. As you guys can see, it has the silver double G's in front. And then let me open it up. When you open it up, it has like this little button. So you have to press on the button to get this little clap open. So it has this little thing right here, and then you open it. I mean, you put it in here, and this is the button that you use to actually open up the purse. So inside, it has these two tissues that we're going to take out. This is like tissue stuffers to keep the bag full so it won't fold or anything. So we're gonna take that out of the bag. Ooh, okay. So inside, ooh, sorry, I moved the camera a little bit. So inside is also the chain. So what else is in here? Yeah, so now that it's empty, as you guys can see, it is empty. I like that it has like a suede, like nude inside color. It's very pretty. And inside it also has like the authenticity of the bag. It normally always comes with like authenticity cards. I think that's how you call it. But yeah, we're just gonna leave them in there just because, I don't know, I always just leave them in the bag. So this is the chain. Like I told you guys, it does come with a chain, and we're gonna open it up. This chain obviously does have little hooks, so you can carry it as a crossbody bag. Not only is it a top handle bag, but it is also a crossbody bag, and I love that. So this is the chain. We're just gonna undo it. This is what it looks like. I love how heavy and how thick the chain is. I just really like how sturdy it feels, so it doesn't feel like it's going to break easily. or anything, because if you guys know, if chains are really thin, they can like tear easily or break easily, and we do not like that. So yeah, let me go ahead and take all of this little wrap out of it. Okay, so I was having some hard time taking off all the little hardware covering, styrofoam, whatever it is, padding, whatever you want to call it. I was having some trouble taking it off, but this is what it looks like. This is what the chain looks like. It obviously does have the pink, it has like pink leather to it, like pink padding. And then this is the chain itself. It is silver, just like the hardware on the purse. And then this right here are the hooks that you use to hook on the purse. So I'm gonna go ahead and place these on each side. So you just basically go like this, and then just hook it on this side. And we're gonna do it on the other side. And voila guys, this is my baby. How cute is she? I love her so much. I don't know, should we name her like I named my other purse? In my other video, you guys seen that I named my Louis Vuitton purse Linda, but I don't know what I should name her. I feel like she's really pretty. By the way, this is my first Gucci purse, and I feel like she's really special. I feel like she's really special. She holds a really special place in my purse collection. Also, talking about purse collections, you guys send me a few messages saying that you guys want me to do a purse collection video. If you guys really are interested in that, let me know in the comments down below, and I will do a collection of all the purses that I have. Obviously, a lot of you people do like watching these type of videos, but I know there is a lot of people that really don't care for them. Obviously, if you don't care for them, you wouldn't be watching this video. But for the people that do care, let me know, because I will do it for you. Anyways, this is her, guys. I love her so, so much. What do you guys think? But yeah, I really like her. I feel like I'm going to make use of this purse so, so, so much. I would probably be using her all spring and all summer long. It is just the perfect pink color, and I just love it. I am going to show you guys what it looks like. By the way, I'm wearing joggers. Don't mind my joggers, but this is what she looks like. I am so in love. Like, oh my God. She's so cute. Or you can just use it like this, like, hi, I have arrived. All right guys, so there she is. Let me know what you guys think. Is she cute? Is she not cute? Would you buy it? I would definitely buy this purse over and over again. I would buy it in different colors if I had to. Sorry, I was looking at the hardware because it kind of looks like it's getting a little dark. Anyways, I was distracted, but yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you guys like watching these type of videos? Let me know in the comments down below. And I'm so happy to be filming again. I miss you guys so, so, so much, but I'm gonna do my best to continue to vlog. But since I really haven't had the time, I decided just to do this quick little video for you guys today and unbox my new baby with you guys. But if you guys did like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.